How to download Threads in Europe. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download Threads in Europe. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So on some countries, Threads isn't available. So what you need to do is just head over to your app store, and once you're in there, just wait for it to load. And as you can see, it's loading, so just click on your profile icon right here, and in here you can see, just scroll down, you can see all of the apps that you have, right? So what you need to do is to just click on your account right here, and you should be able to head over to your account, which is the iCloud account that you have. So you can just verify your account, and from in there it will load for a while, and you can see this country region. So just click on this country and region, and from in there it will load again. So just click on change country or region right here, and you can choose United States since Threads is available in the United States. So just click on that, and from in there you can actually see this terms and conditions. So just click on agree right here, click on agree again. So it will load again for a while, and you just need to add in fake accounts or fake information that you can choose from. So you can choose none right here, and then you can see your billing name right here, and you just need to add in a fake billing address that is on US. So for example, my billing address is 8817 Sandpine DR. Then after that, I can just type in the city, which is Navarre. And then the state, which is Florida. So here's Florida right here. So I can just click on that, and then just type in the zip, which is 32566, and you can just type in a made up phone number right here. Then after that, just click on next, and that should be able to change your country, and from in there you can actually try to search for Threads. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download Threads in Europe. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.